Today's topic is Pennsylvania versus Mimms, a 1977 opinion by the United States Supreme Court that established two important points. First, police officers have the absolute right to order occupants out of a car during a valid traffic stop. And second, an officer can lawfully search an individual for weapons if the officer sees a bulge in clothing that's consistent with a weapon being possibly concealed in the individual's clothing. This week, I'll provide some background and analysis on this important case. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney for ASCOPs in Arizona. In this case, while on routine patrol, two Philadelphia police officers saw Mimms driving a car with an expired license plate. The officers stopped the car in order to issue a ticket. The officers approached and asked Mimms to step out of the car to produce his registration and driver's license. When Mimms complied, officers noticed a large bulge under Mimms' jacket. Believing that the bulge could be a weapon, the officers frisked Mimms and discovered a loaded revolver in Mimms' waistband. Mimms was arrested and indicted for carrying a concealed deadly weapon without a license. Mimms challenged this arrest, claiming that it violated his Fourth Amendment rights. The trial court disagreed, allowing the charges to stand, but the Pennsylvania Supreme Court reversed the conviction, saying that the revolver should have been suppressed because the search violated the guarantees contained in the Fourth and 14th Amendments. The United States Supreme Court took the case and overturned the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, holding that officers are allowed to order occupants out of vehicles on traffic stops, and also holding that once civilians are out of their vehicles, officers can pat down suspects if they observe bulges consistent with weapons being possibly present. And in a preview for a future video, in Maryland versus Wilson, the United States Supreme Court made it clear that officers can lawfully order passengers out of a car during a traffic stop as well. Here in Arizona, there's an additional consideration at play. ARS Section 13-3102 makes it clear that any person carrying a concealed firearm must acknowledge and comply with the demands of a law enforcement officer when asked if they're carrying a concealed weapon during any investigation, including a traffic stop. And during the stop, the officer may take temporary custody of any firearms for the duration of the contact for officer safety purposes. Refusal to comply with lawful commands during a traffic stop, for example, resisting by force, could be considered obstructing governmental operations, covered by Arizona Revised Statute Section 28-2402, which criminalizes people from using force to resist something that an officer has a legal right to do, which can include removing occupants from a car during a traffic stop. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help my channel grow. Please share this video with anyone else that you know that you think might find it helpful, and be on the lookout for future videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.